Hey guys, Golden Juggle here, back with another video. So in today's video it's just going to be a quick unboxing of the iPod Touch 6th generation 32GB in gold. I got this for, it's meant to be 100, but I made him come down on offer to 90, which was good. So I made him come down to 90, so he was willing to get rid of it really quickly. But that's good. I've got a little bag now, just going to check the package, nothing else in there. Open it up here. There's the device itself. It comes in the box, which is quite nice. See there, iPod Touch, 32GB gold. Now he didn't know whether this was the 6th or the 7th generation because he only bought it a few months ago. So it's all covered in tape. It's all just a bit covered in tape. I'm just going to rip the tape off. Right guys, I'll be back when I've got the tape off. Right, I managed to get the tape off. The whole box was literally taped, so it's all like really sticky now, and it's not the... Oh damn, it's got a case on it. He didn't tell me that it had a case on it, so I went ahead and bought just a clear TPU case. But he didn't tell me that it had one on there already, so... No, that's a bonus, I guess. So we've got just the, you know, oh, we've even got the 2 Apple stickers, that's pretty cool. We've got the earpods in there, all original. We got the lightning cable, which I won't need, but it's pretty awesome to be honest. Wasn't expecting all of that. I was looking for one with a box, and I did get one with the box, so I was pretty happy about that. That's pretty cool. It's a bit sticky, like I said, which isn't fun, but this device itself, English, United Kingdom. The screen protector is a bit off, but I'd rather have one than not have one, so that's always a bonus. I always tend to, if I'm buying a device used, I always tend to buy one with the screen protector and, you know, like the original box, because then you know that people actually care about the devices. But anyway guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.